Welcome to our Ocean Campus classroom. Let's explore how to make learning more exciting through storytelling, art and crafts, and movement activities. These tools help young learners engage with numbers, letters, and colors in a way that feels natural and fun. We'll use stories to introduce key concepts, encourage learners to recognize the numbers, letters, and colors while connecting them to objects and nature. Stories also serve as great conversation starters, helping develop language, critical thinking, and visual literacy. After the story, learners will create something with their hands to reinforce what they've learned. This process deepens their understanding, supports fine motor skills, and encourages creativity. We'll tie everything together with a fun physical exercise. Movement helps strengthen memory, improve coordination, and build social skills while keeping learners engaged and active. By combining these approaches, we make learning meaningful, interactive, and enjoyable. We hope these lessons inspire new ideas for your own classroom. Let's bring learning to life together. This story can be used in celebration of World Environment Day and World Oceans Day, reminding us to care for our planet and protect our marine life. Remember, you can use any storybook and find a color, letter, and theme that aligns with your lesson. The title of the story is Keep the Beach Clean. Tali is at the beach with a plastic bag filled with her toys. She loves swimming, building sandcastles, and having picnics on the beach. But as the day went on, the wind picked up and blew the plastic bag into the ocean. Here we meet Sally the seal. Seals are big, while seahorses are tiny. S for Sally, S for seal, S for seahorse. Sally loves eating fish and squid. However, the plastic bag appeared near her. Mistaking it for a tasty squid, Sally ate the plastic bag, only to find it is now stuck in her throat. Coughing and coughing, she pleaded for help. Henry the seahorse arrives. He discovers that Sally is big and he is tiny. Henry wanted to know why Sally was coughing. When Sally explained she swallowed a plastic bag, Henry inspected her with concern. But without any arms to help, he realized he must find someone who can lend a hand. Oh, flipper! Moments later, Exo came to the rescue. With his unique exoskeleton and hard shell, he hurried to get to Sally, that needs help. And with one of his nippers, he tried to remove the plastic bag. However, the plastic bag was too deep in Sally's throat. They needed someone with longer arms, and he decided to call Peter the penguin. Peter's feathers are black and white. Peter soon waddled in, determined to help his friend. Peter has two flippers, which are great for swimming, trying his best to free the bag from Sally's throat. It wasn't successful. Thinking quickly, which animal in the ocean has longer arms? He then remembered Mr. Octopus. Meanwhile, poor Sally, overwhelmed by the ordeal, drifted off to sleep. Just then, a shadow passed over. Bruce the shark arrived. Bruce was feeling hungry. But Dolly the dolphin came to scare Bruce off because Sally was not feeling great. Then Dolly had a clever plan to help Sally, gently nudging Sally on her back with a snout. With a sudden cough, the plastic bag popped out. Dolly then reminded everyone of an important lesson. Litter is dangerous for all our ocean friends and the environment. The next time you visit the beach, river, park, or school, please pick up any litter and recycle it. Let's keep our beaches, rivers, parks, and schools clean. Tali then returned to the beach. She learned her lesson. No more plastic bags for her, reminding us all that every small act of care helps protect our oceans and keep our beaches clean. Craft time. Paper plate fish craft. You will need a white paper, a black marker and a pencil, crayons, a glue stick, a scissor, a paper plate, a string, and craft paper. Use the craft paper and cut out small circles. Take the white paper and cut out a small circle. Use the black marker to draw the eye inside the circle. Take the paper plate and cut out a small triangle from one side. This will be the fish's mouth. Keep the triangle piece for later. Choose your favorite crayon and color the paper plate completely. Make a small hole at the top of the paper plate. Thread the string through the hole and tie a knot. Use the glue stick to attach the eye onto the paper plate. Take the triangle you cut out earlier and glue it onto the back of the fish as the tail. Cut out small circles from craft paper and glue them onto the fish to create scales. Remember, you can use a storybook, puppet show, exercises as inspiration for your crafts. Let the stories, characters, and themes spark creativity. Use what you have around you, whether it's recycled materials or plant materials like leaves and twigs. With fishies. Hop like a penguin with litter. Stand at the beginning of the line. Pick up the ball, pretending it is litter. Then place the ball under your chin. Hop forward. Like a penguin, hop, hop, hop. Once you reach the bucket, gently crouch down and drop the ball in the bucket. Turn around and hop back without the ball. With a little creativity, look around and use what you have to create fun challenges and obstacles. You can turn everyday items into an exciting adventure. Just like our fit fishies, staying active can be fun and easy. By connecting storytelling, creativity, movement, and repetition, we create a multi-sensory learning experience that helps keep young minds engaged. Repetition is key to early learning. When learning is interactive and playful, children absorb information more naturally and feel excited to explore new ideas. We hope this approach sparks creativity in your classroom and inspires learners to connect with the world around them in meaningful ways. Let's make learning an adventure, one story, craft, movement, and repetition at a time.